so the information retrieval for lecture speeches is very difficult task. We will prepare two types of databases at the SpokenDoc 2. One is the corpus of spontaneous Japanese. It has over 2,700 lecture speeches. Its duration is over 6 hours. This database is used at the previous NTCIR. Next database is Real Academic Meeting Lectures Collection. This is a new database from this NTCIR. It has over 70 lecture speeches from the real workshops. We use two types of database at this task. Okay, next I will explain the tasks at the SpokenDoc 2. There is two tasks at SpokenDoc 2. One task is spoken term detection. Spoken term detection. There are two tasks at spoken term detection. One task is to find utterances, including a query term, from large spoken document collection. This figure shows the spoken document collection, and spoken documents consist of some utterances. First, utterances is automatically transcribed to the word sequence, and if query term to search engine, the search engine matches perform matching process between a query term and utterance. So finally, the search engine found the query term at this point. This is normal spoken term detection task. And another spoken term task is to check whether a query term is included in your spoken document or not. This is a new task. The second subtask of SpokenDoc 2 is spoken document retrieval. This is ad hoc information retrieval from lecture speeches. The goal of this task is to find the passages including relevant information related to a given query topic. We will not only a text query, but also we will prepare spoken queries. Okay. There are some merits for task participants. For example, we will provide rich transcriptions by an automatic speech recognition system. So if you have not any technical knowledge for speech recognition, you can only focus on the developing text information retrieval technique. And the second merit is to deal with real lecture speeches. I explained at the previous slide. We use academic meeting lecture speeches. So this database, some lectures in this database has slide data and dashboard paper or video data. You can this data help you to develop improve the retrieval performance. But all data is Japanese. We are sorry to prepare another language like English or Chinese. This task is will be performed on Japanese only. Okay. Finally, the task schedule is shown on this slide. So, if you're interested in the SpokenDoc 2, please don't hesitate to ask us any question. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Do you have any questions for SpokenDoc? Yep.
I find the task very interesting.
I wonder, thank you for the presentation. I wonder if a speech recognizer can have many hypotheses, the recognition. Are you planning to release a list of hypotheses or a lattice of hypotheses?
Yeah, last NTCIR-9, we provided to the participants some lattice or confusion network information.
Okay, thank you.
Is there any questions, comments?
Okay, thank you very much. I'll move on to the next.
The next is RITE.
From Tohoku University. Today, I will talk about a brief introduction of NTCIR-10 RITE-2 tasks. First of all, let me describe an overview of RITE-2. RITE is a benchmark task for automatically detecting semantic relations between two sentences. The relations defined in RITE-2 entailment relation, paraphrase relation, and contradiction relation in text. Let us consider the two sentences, T1 and T2. T1, Yasunari Kawabata won the Nobel Prize in Literature for his novel Snow Country. And T2, Yasunari Kawabata is the writer of Snow Country. The systems are required to recognize whether the T2, text T2 is inferred from T1. The technology of recognizing textual entailment is effective for various applications such as information retrieval, question answering, and document summarization. In the RITE-2, the target language is Japanese, simplified Chinese, and traditional Chinese. There are mainly four subtasks in RITE-2. Binary class, BC subtask, multi-class subtask, entrance exam, BC subtask, and entrance exam, such BC subtask, and such subtask. In binary class subtask, given a text pair, T1 and T2, systems are required to identify whether T1 enters T2 or not. The setting of the BC subtask is the same as the previous NTCIR-9 RITE setting. In multi-class subtask, there are four semantic relations. In entailment relation, entailment relations is divided into two relations. For the entailment and paraphrase relation. For the entailment means that T1 enters T2, but T2 doesn't enter T1. The paraphrase relation, in paraphrase relation, T1 enters T2, and also T2 enters T1. And not entailment relation is divided into two relations. First one is contradiction. If T1 contradicts T1, the pair of text fragments is contradiction. And if text pairs T1 and T2 is not entailed and not contradiction, then the systems are required to In entrance exam subtasks, there are two subtasks, BC subtask and search subtask. In BC subtask, is the same as the RITE to binary class subtask in terms of input and output. But all the data is created from actual quality level entrance exams. The entrance exam search subtask is newly added in RITE 2. In the task given a hypothesis T2 and set of documents extracted from Wikipedia and textbook, the system are required to identify whether T2 is true or not. What is here is an overview of RITE 2 subtasks. In BC subtask and MC subtask, entrance exam BC task, text pairs given, and then systems required to output yes or no, or word entailment, bidirectional entailment, contradiction, or independence in MC subtask. Entrance in